came up and moved the goddamn thing once in a while, so it's pretty tough. No biggie.
All right.
Pretty much every third or fourth flight, I gotta do something like broken off. I mean, it's just foam. You hit it hard, man. Couple times about it, you just gotta do it.